Welcome to 22 Waterview Lane, a beautiful waterfront oasis situated on the Mactaquac Arm off the Wolastoq River. This 3-bedroom Cape Cod offers stunning views, great boating opportunities, and a geothermal heat pump. Enter the home into a spacious foyer which leads to the open concept great room with vaulted ceilings. The large kitchen features custom cabinetry by Executive Woodworking, stone backsplash, and an island with cooktop and breakfast bar. Off the living room is the master suite, with a bedroom spacious enough for a king bed, an oversized walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom boasting a soaker tub, a walk-in shower, an oversized vanity, and a private toilet room. Off the kitchen, you'll find the dining room, followed by a storage closet and walk-in pantry. From here, find the laundry room with backyard access, a powder room, a mudroom, and access to the attached 2-car garage. The living room offers beautiful natural light and access to the spacious back deck. The backyard features a 2-tier deck overlooking the above-ground pool and the gentle slope down to the waterfront. Head upstairs to a mezzanine overlooking the great room. This level hosts another full bathroom and 2 large bedrooms. The lower level has a rec room, an office, and a family room with huge storage area and garage door access to the backyard. For more information on 22 Waterview Lane, visit realtor.ca. Thanks for watching.